Hey guys, today I will be giving you guys a sneak peek of unboxing this Brick Headz. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I will be giving you guys a sneak peek of unboxing the Brick Headz Lego. I got this for my wife and she will be unboxing it and creating it, and I'll be giving it a review pretty soon. Stay tuned. If you like this video, check out this one right here on the left and this one on the right. Thank you for watching What Stanley Said. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.